Hi, this is me, Sir, and Saqib, the Executive Director of Genius Institute Lahore. Today, I'm going to make you visit my students inside the class, the language lab. They will express their opinion about their institute, Genius Institute Lahore, and their teacher, Sir Saqib. So stay connected. We're going to meet them shortly. Hello, good morning in the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Today, I thought you better just see our language class from inside. I've got lots of students here. There are lots of girls sitting in the language class, and there are lots of boys as well. So, in the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful, it is with the deepest sense of gratitude to Almighty Allah that He has given us an opportunity to get together here in the language class. I want you to see the students, and they will just like to talk to about themselves in different ways. So please, what would you like to say about your experience here in the Genius?
I just joined Genius Institution Lahore a couple of days before. Well, my name is Sayyeda Hina Rubab. I am doctor of physiotherapy by profession. I needed English speaking skill for my profession. So my experience here is simply amazing.
Oh, that's great. Thank you very much indeed for giving a great compliment to the Institute. Here we got a very nice student. She is a professional gym instructor and a nutritionist. So please, would you like to say something about this?
Well, I am professional gym instructor. I am here to brush up my speaking skills. I am really happy to join Genius Institute Lahore. Thanks a lot, Sir Saqib.
That's great, lovely. Thank you very much indeed. Yes, it's your first day perhaps. Would you like to say something about your experience?
Well, my name is Sarisha and I'm a proud Genius student. Me and my sister Rabia both have taken admission. It's my first day and I don't know, I'm a little bit confused. I don't know what to say, but I'm confident that I'll become confident public speaker. Thank you.
Inshallah, wish you all the very best of luck for your good hopes for the future. Some more students. Rida, what's your opinion about your experience here?
Well, I'd like to share my experience with all of you. My name is Rida Ijaz, and in few days, Genius Institute Lahore has made me very confident and fluent speaker. Thanks Genius Institute Lahore and thanks Sir Saqib.
That's great. Thank you very much for your compliments. Yes, please. Another student's opinion, please.
Well, my name is Alam Shahzadi. It has been a month or so when I joined Genius Institute Lahore for IELTS. I'm almost prepared. Sir Saqib has really worked hard to teach us the tips and tricks for IELTS test. Thank you, Sir Saqib.
Thank you very much. Thank you, everybody here. And we got another professional here. He's a graphic designer by profession. Mr. Shahriar, please.
Yes, of course. My name's Shahriar. Professionally, I'm a graphic designer. And I just started from zero. And now I'm pretty good at language. So thank you so much, Sir Saqib. I'm proud of Genius Institute.
Thank you very much indeed for your great thoughts regarding this institute. Mr. Hasib, actually I want to tell you something about Mr. Hasib. His brother Mr. Habib, Muhammad Habib, has also been our student, a very proud student, and mashallah, he's working very hard for his channel, and I would like you to subscribe his channel as well. Okay, please, few words about your experience.
Well, my name is Hasib and I'm a student. I am doing IELTS from Genius Institute Lahore. My brother has also done a language course from here, and he has suggested me to join this institute. And thanks, Sir Saqib.
Thank you very much, everybody. You are thanking me, and I'm thanking you that you have made me a proud teacher here by giving you good education, whatever I can possibly give you here by giving you this opportunity to study here in the class. Yes, please, you got something to say?
What can I say more than this? The Genius Institute Lahore is simply the best.
Oh, thank you very much for all the students, for your compliments. It's not the traditional class, it's an English language class. And in English language class, actually, we have a lot of interaction in presentations, group discussions, pair conversations. We just aim at brushing up your accent. We make you confident speakers, and we try to give you really everything which is possible in a language class. So this is a short and a brief introduction. It's a platform where the students stand and deliver their presentations. That's my place. Actually, I'm not occupying my place at the moment because I'm capturing my students. And thank you very much, everybody. I would like you to clap a bit, please, now.